What is generative AI? Generative AI is an AI technology that creates new content. Gen AI is a one type of AI that can generate content such as like a text, images, videos, audio, music, anything, 3D, whatever it may be. Those who can generate content is called generative AI. For generative AI, large language models, LLMs, large language models, and diffusion models. Large language models and diffusion models are two pillars for generative AI. Large language models mainly those who generate text is called large language models. Text generating AI models called large language models. Text may be writing stories, posts, scripts, answering questions, translating languages, summarizing long content by attaching PDFs. So these all features for large language models. Large language models are those who generate text like stories, posts, scripts, answering questions, generating coding, summarizing text from the video, summarizing text from the PDF, translating languages, summarizing long content. So these all are large language models. For example, ChatGPT, GPT-4, GPT-5, right? Developed by OpenAI. Same like Claude 3, developed by Anthropic. Google Gemini, developed by Google. Meta Llama, Mistral AI, Quen 2.5, Manas AI, Perplexity AI. These all are large language models. They can generate a text like stories, posts, scripts, answer for questions, translating languages, summarizing PDFs, images. So these large language models are chatting naturally to the humans. Another side of generative AI is diffusion models. Diffusion models can generate images, music, audio, video, 3D. So these models can generate like creating realistic or artistic images, generating videos, converting text to image, filling missing parts of images, like transforming styles, cartoon, 3D, anime. So these all are diffusion models. Example, stable diffusion like Stability AI, Midjourney, DALI E2, DALI E3, developed by OpenAI, Runway, Adobe Firefly, Nano Banana by Google Gemini. So these all are diffusion models. Meta AI generate a text model, and image models. Like same like Grok AI, they can generate text and they can generate images. So these the inbuilt large language models and a diffusion models, same like ChatGPT. In the ChatGPT, so DALL-E is a diffusion model which is inbuilt in ChatGPT. So simply generative AI is AI technology that creates a new content such as text, images, videos, or music, 3D. Those who generate text is called LLMs, large language models. Those who generate images, videos, audio, video called a diffusion models. Large language models and diffusion models are two pillars of generative AI. Let's see how these large language models and diffusion models works